Jason, there's so much that goes into building a home, but what is your favorite part about the building process?
You know, my favorite part of building homes is creating something new, something else unique. When I drive around and see the homes I built or that I have built, I get excited and I'm like, you know, we built that home. But I didn't just build it, we designed it. We started from the beginning, we worked with the homeowner, we created a home that they love. And so we do a lot of custom homes, a lot of custom home designs. We take homes and customize them for each person that we build homes for. As you can see by some of these homes, they have unique features. This particular home, you know, we designed it for the lot. It had a certain limited amount of space. They wanted certain curb appeal. They wanted some characteristics reminiscent of a beach home. And so you can see some of that in that home. Similarly with this home, it's obviously it's been lived in, but it gives you that nice feel, almost a coastal feel to this home. Then here is a different, more of a craftsman style home. Very unique in and of itself as well. But again, as these homes are lived in, they start to develop character, and we want these homes to be timepiece type homes. We build anything from a very traditional style home with rock, stucco, siding, any materials. And we even get, we get crazy in some of our designs, as you'll see here in a few minutes. We've done some things that are very contemporary. Very different. Not everybody's going to fall in love with this home, but the people we built this home for fell in love with it. Interestingly, we've sold several homes based on this home and this design, yeah. Again, very small, old traditional style neighborhoods, but very large homes, very nice homes in that area. Just basic homes, basic feel of a home. We do build, one of the things we try to do is get you unique details that are not expensive, that you can afford to build. You know, a lot of times it's like, how cheap can we build a home? How much can we get our home for per square foot? And we can still get you a very good cost per square foot and still give you some of those nicer features that everybody loves in a home. You know, everybody wants to, oh, yours is the house with this feature. We want everybody to have a feature in their home that they're in love with and that they love and that their neighbors can talk about.
Well, I think that's really interesting, and some of the things that I like that you said, that you try to design a home that satisfies your customer, that you can take the dreams and the ideas that they have and to make it real for them. Have it come to pass.
That's correct, yes. And here we have a design center, and we have a designer that works with you on your plans. We have myself and designers that also work on the plans. And it takes us a while. You know, a perfect plan in your dream home isn't built in 30 minutes. Right. You know, we don't expect you to come in and pick from our website the exact plan. We know you're going to want to move a closet. You may want to add a window. You might want your TV in a certain location. And we can help you out with that. That's where we specialize. We want to make that home your dream home. We want to make this a place that you're happy to live. That if you want something just a little bit different, you know, you want your laundry room in a certain location, we can help you with that. And it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to do it. You know, you don't have to. We're trying to make for an affordable custom home for each one of our clients that we build for.
Yeah, it's interesting that you said that, because my daughter and my son-in-law built a home with you within this last year, and they were living with us at the time, and they brought their plans in and they laid it on the kitchen table, and they went through the plans room by room, and they were changing and moving things around, and I was like, is that okay to do? And they said, oh, we're working with the designer. They said we can do whatever we want as long as we stay within the square footage, and they were very excited to be able to feel like they had a say in how the house turned out, and they were very, very happy with the whole process.
You know, I remember them, and I remember meeting with them and talking to them, and they were a fun couple to meet with, and I'm glad to know that I think today's the first time I knew that was your son-in-law and daughter, and they were very nice people, and I remember their house and how excited they were to design it, and that's what we want. We want you to feel like this is your home.
Awesome. I think it's also important too, that because sometimes you just want to look at the finished product and say, ta-da, it's beautiful, which is a great thing to say about and have a good designed home, but you really spend a lot of time in the details, in the building of the home, so that it just doesn't look nice, but it it's energy efficient, it's built well, it's got quality behind it.
Right. Along with planning the homes, we plan what goes into the walls. We plan the insulation. We make the homes airtight. We put in good windows. You know, everything you do in that home makes a difference. And everything that's inside your walls is permanent. It's there. And it's not cheap to change. So we want to make sure that that's done right. But we also know that you're on a budget. And so we're focusing on keeping everybody within their budget and still getting them the things that they need in their home so that their utilities aren't breaking them every month.
It sounds really exciting, and I think what is really great is that you have a history of being here in the Valley since what did you tell me,
1997.
So you've been here for a long enough time that, you know, you've got a reputation that is positive and people are happy, and you're still building and you're still here. That says a lot in itself, Jason.
Well, thank you very much. We love building homes. You know, it's what we live for, I guess. You know, it's something I love to do. I've loved doing it since I can remember. I've loved designing and building homes, and it's my favorite part. So, yeah, thanks for
coming here today. We're glad to be here. Jason with Immaculate Homes. You have a website, and tell us also where your address is.
Yeah, you can check out some of our floor plans at buildimmaculate.com, see some photos of the homes we've built, also some of these video clips. Also, our design center is located at 2 North Main in Providence, right by the Old Rock Church.
Great job. You're doing a great job. People love you in the Valley. Thank you so much.